Hello everyone. So in our last session, we discussed how our Dynamics 365 is based on Power Platform and Power Platform based on Azure, on top of Azure cloud. So today we will use the same Office 365 account to create different apps. So we have sales app, we have service app, we have field service app, we have marketing app, and we'll create our Power Apps, everything using same Office 365 account. Okay, so far we created this. We have Office 365 account we have created a platform. I can say it's a dummy environment because it's blank. Power Platform admin centers last time we discussed, and on-premise data gateway and how it functions we discussed. So let me proceed towards creating the sales, service and marketing apps on top of this Power Platform. Let's say we go to trials.dynamics.com. I select this sales, then I click this, then I enter my mobile number, then it is going to, and it is asking, looks like already member. Okay, I want to go for sign in. I don't want to keep it sign in. You already have a license for this. You can see it is asking you already have license for Dynamics 365. Get started. So here you can see sales, Dynamics 365 sales environment is setting up. Going to the organization is getting ready like this, and after some time the environment is created. So this is the environment. Okay, this is the sales environment. So we have the sales environment. We can see how it looks. Can see all sales leads, opportunities, accounts, contacts, quotes, orders, invoices, products, those things are there. So this is how we created the sales, and similarly I use the same way how we have created for sales. You just select customer service and create for service, field service, project service. So similarly you can create different environment. Finance and operation, it require office domain because you cannot create using this Office 365 account. So, and for marketing there is a different link. You can see trials.dynamics.com/dynamics365/marketing. For marketing you have to follow this, but you need to pass the same created Office 365 account and mobile number to create the marketing. So I have already created. This is the sales. You can see it's a sales serve. I created the service also. You can see cases, queues, accounts, contacts and all these things. Service management are there. Then I use the same in the marketing also. I created marketing events and all these things we will discuss in details. Customer journey, marketing emails and all these things are there. Leads, scoring model and everything is there. And then if you see the same account we used to deploy this field service, you can see field service, different services, assets, work order, schedule board, bookings and all these things are there. Then this is connected field service, how IoT devices can communicate, and how we can do the connected field service. Again, this is also one app. And then this is project service. If you can see here, projects, resources and all these things are there. Project template, time entries, expenses, approvals and all those things are there. So omni-channel platform, omni-channel app also I deployed. If you see in omni-channel there are different channels are there. You can see in the left navigation, charts, SMS, Facebook, Line, Twitter, WeChat, WhatsApp and any custom app if you want to integrate, because it's omni-channel platform also I have deployed. So similarly I follow the same way, same Office 365 account. If you see all the apps, you can see here all the apps, published apps you can see here. Dynamics 365 custom, field service, service of all these are apps. Okay, all these are deployed on top of Power Platform. What we created first, how the concept, we created a platform, we published different apps on the platform. Okay, So this is how we have created a different environment. And if you want to see, you can go to Office 365 account. You can see a lot of if you go to Office 365, you can see one admin center. If you click on admin center, this will admin.microsoft.com will open, and you can see your home. This is your home page. Actually, in admin center you can provision users, and if any licenses also you want, you can use this to purchase how many active users. You can see how many active users, you can add the users. I have only one user I created. And then if any roles, you can assign the roles. And if you go to purchase services, if you want to purchase any extra licenses, anything, it is quite easy. You can go to 365 admin center, and here the purchase services will display whatever things allowed from Microsoft to purchase. Here you can see you can purchase related to Microsoft 365, Office 365, business apps also there. Then collaboration and communication, Dynamics 365 also some apps are there, you can purchase here. And with pricing, everything, security, identity, Power BI, Windows, other services, add-ons, all these things, whatever you want, you can purchase using this. Okay, then whatever the licenses I have purchased or I have subscribed so far. So if you see here, it is showing customer engagement plan, 25 user license, as I told in the first time, 25 user license trial will get. Then customer insights also I have created, so that's why it has also same 25 license. Power Automate free 10,000. Then licenses 1, I have subscribed so far 1 license only. Then Power BI, then Power Virtual Agents. And one thing I just want to convey, the mailboxes are automatically, those will not be created. Once you create the account, to simulate the mailbox features, you have to create an Exchange mailbox. It is not given on your trial instance. You have to subscribe. Maybe trial you have to subscribe. We have to create an Exchange mailbox. Okay. And all admin center, you can see here different apps exposed in Office 365, you can see here. So one thing I just want to show you, when we created the trial environment, right, if you noticed, we got the email from Microsoft Azure. Okay, so as we discussed in the previous slide, Dynamics 365 is based on Power Platform. What we saw, the Power Platform is all about. This is how the platform, this is, you can see Power Platform admin environment is in this. So yes, it is on Power Platform, and Power Platform is on Azure. So from this mail, it is pretty clear, we got the mail from Microsoft Azure. Okay, environment is ready. Similarly, we can use the same account for the Power Apps as well. I can use this sign in. I'm signing in using another account, so I will use this account now. Sign in. So it is signing me in. Now you can see my Power Apps is loaded here. Okay, so you can see the Power Apps is loaded. So in our upcoming session, we'll see how the Canvas app, model driven apps will create, and portal, these three: Canvas app, model driven apps, portal. But so far now we just want to see how Office 365 account we can use for different environment creation. So similarly, we can use the this one to create the Power Automate as well. Just click trial, try this, sign in. Hopefully it is in browser cache, it will automatically take me into Power Automate. Yes, it automatically took me to the Power Automate. Let me put the location. So yes, it here you can see we use the same account to create the Power Apps account. We can log into the Power Apps using same account. We can use the same Office 365 account to log into the Power Automate. and let's use the same account to sign into the Power BI as well. In privacy statement we have to accept. So similarly we can use the Power Virtual Agent, we can use the same account to create the Power Virtual Agent as well. So here actually we can invite more people, but I want to skip it. So you can see here I am not a premium user, but you can see how we use the single account. This is also Power Virtual Agent. I'm starting free, so I just giving this to English and the test. Great. So you can see the Power Virtual Agent also we use the same credential for creating. So this is how we can create our different accounts for the we can access different environment using the same account. So you can explore bot or explore doc. Here you can see our test bot and you can configure. So in the next session we'll discuss more into details. So that's all for today. Thank you.